how to free up space in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to free up space. You just need to head over to settings. Then you need to go to system on the left hand side, and then you can head over to storage. Now you can see there are temporary files. Just tap on it, and then you can just tick on downloads, delivery optimization files, all of these thumbnails that are taking up space. So you can just clean this up. And similarly, you can go to documents and delete the files that you do not need. You can do the same with mail. You can just delete your installed apps as well that you do not use right now. And next one is uh, once you have finished uninstalling the apps you don't use, you can head over to your recycle bin and then delete all of the things here, because your trash also takes up a lot of space. Just empty recycle bin, and then this will free up a lot of space on your Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.